All right, it's Tuesday, March 5th, just following up on Microsoft. You can see here the first 15-minute bar closed red. It's following through lower on bar number 2 towards some of those broadening targets down here near the 405 area into the, this is an area where it could get a little bit of a bounce given that you see those buying tails in here. Maybe it pauses there. But in the meantime, I was able to scale out the position on the way down. I bought the 415 puts at 629. I scaled out at 755 to set up an over's trade. I was trying to exit at 9, but I decided to get some more out at 850, and they're up to, I saw them hit 920 a second ago, a little above 9. So good trade overall. We'll see now, this is an area just coming into these buying tails. Maybe it's going to get a little pause here, but the overall, structure on the day's down. If we get an orderly pause here, you can get a secondary move, to treat it, to see if we start taking out this liquidity down here below these stops, first target area, and then in the bigger picture, we can be heading all the way down there if this thing really wants to hold on the daily chart red, which obviously it's a nice big red day at the moment, but we'll see how 15-minute structure unfolds for the rest of the day. So you have target 1, you have a weekly outside bar here, taking out the high of the previous week. You can get below that down there. Once you get down there, you're very close to taking out those lows, on the daily chart. So there's all kinds of targets down here, liquidity to be taken out, weak start to the day. Again, I aggressively wanted to buy it here on that 5-minute, move down, just given all that context in play to the downside, and we're following through nicely now. So let's see where it goes. Daily chart, definitely 2 down red day, targets down here, and, overall big trading range in here. So maybe you're going to get the higher highs and eventually the lower lows if this market continues weak. The SPY still trying to, grunt. First bar ended, still trying to head lower here, kind of as anticipated. So it's an overall weak market, and Microsoft, one of the weaker ones, still heading lower here on the 5-minute chart and the 15-minute chart. So good trade out of the gates. We'll see kind of where it ends up today.